Anytime I can spend fishing is just where it's at. There's the first one. Just did a full split. Got something. We got a trout. Got one tight. Is that a brookie? Oh, nice wild brook trout, guys. Wow. Oh, he just came off too. There he is. What a beautiful fish. There he goes. All right, guys. Can confirm there is trout in here. I'm just so glad I caught something. I was getting worried for a second. Oh, just got hit. Chasing after again. Oh, I got bumped and it chased me and didn't hit it again. It's definitely a brook trout. Now I know what all those little fellas in there are. The brookies. Baby brookies. There's a brown. Oh! Oh boy, just bashed himself off the rock. It's gotta be a brown, right? Oh my god, look at the colors. Guys. Guys. This is why I go through all the trouble right here with this. When he chills out, I'll show you exactly why. Bro. Come on. You can look at that fish. That is absolutely incredible. Alright, 2 fish. I'll be walking where a couple are, but it's the price you pay for salvation. I don't know why I just quoted fucking Thanos. Oh, got hit. Got hit twice. So there's something over there. Did not have any nuts to it though. It was very small. It's probably what most of the fish are going to be, honestly, because it's just there's not a lot of water. Those big trout like those pools. Some other fish. I'm just not getting the hooks out on them. I don't want to hurt them. These fish don't have hard mouths. They have soft little mouths. They're not big. They're very sensitive. So when I set, I don't want to cause more damage than I already am. There we go. Got a brookie. This is fish number 3. Another wild brook trout. They don't fight as hard as those browns, but I know this is... Oh! See ya. Where you at, boys? Girls. It's a fucking stick. God damn it, these stupid sticks in the water. I'm good. Would it be a Adirondack River Warrior video if I didn't fall in at least once? There's nobody better on YouTube at falling in the river than me. Promise you. Shit! I had one. He came off. There's a brookie. That's a good little hole. There's probably a couple of them at least. There we go, that's a brown. It's a nice fish. There we go, fish number 3. Holy shit, look at the colors. He's barely hooked. Let's get him safe and sound. Oh, he's out. Look at that. He's fucking flipping out right now. Like, bro, you safe? I got you. I'm gonna put you back. I mean, look at that fish, man. That is just precious. Just gotta keep the feet moving. Oh yeah, here comes the rain. Usually gets these fish just jacked right up. I lost a lure that's been doing the damage for me, so swapped up to a different lure. It's really raining now, so I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be out here. Just had a fish. He came off. Fuck. Couldn't tell what it was. It wasn't big. That's the only thing I know. So I think it was a smaller brookie, or actually a decent brookie. Maybe a smaller brown. I do want to catch like a really smaller brown, so you guys can see what those look like. Look at this thing. You think that's what the boys are feeding on? Probably. If I was gonna get something larger, this would be one of the spots I'd expect. I just got hit. I got smoked twice on the way in, so. You know, a little bit of rain is probably pushing these flies into the water, even when they're not. It's a brookie. Shit, dude. Oh, they keep coming off on me. I honestly think I have most of this river kind of figured out now, for the most part, guys. So I think a lot of the fish spawn upstream at this big hole. That's where the big boys are. All through here are all the fish that migrated down so they don't get eaten by the currents. Another brown. This is what I was looking for, was a smaller one of these so I could show you guys how cool they look. Beautiful. There it goes. Well guys, I say I've done more than good here, because this is not easy fishing. Very difficult fishing. I've walked a very long way. I mean, there was a guarantee of nothing. There could have been nothing alive here in this stretch. I've done pretty well for myself. The elusive stickfish. Those things are really hitting today. This video is brought to you by Dasani. Purified water. I'm not going to go much further because there's that. One, I'm getting tired. Number two, I'm losing daylight. Water is wet, guys. Fucking bitch, they keep hitting me. This is the last stretch and then I'm out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I mean, I know they're not big fish, but these are wild. It's proof that there is wild fish out there. So if you guys do your research, find the spots, you can catch some gorgeous fish. Also guys, I'm pretty new to this stuff. If there's something you guys want to see, I don't know if you guys want some more nature shots, you know, if you want more instructions on what I'm doing that's making me successful when I go fishing, things I look for in terms of where I think fish are, just any sort of thing like that, just let me know in the comments and I'll try to focus on it. It's I don't have a lot of crazy equipment like other people. I mean, I just got this GoPro and that's it.